Have you ever wondered what secrets the world's most powerful countries are hiding right now? What incredible projects tucked away from public view could change the future of humanity forever? In this video, we're peeling back the curtain on some of China's most ambitious and mind-blowing innovations. These aren't just ideas on a whiteboard, right? They are massive, world-altering projects that are already underway. From cities that think for themselves to transportation that defies the laws of physics, what's happening right now could reshape our reality sooner than you think. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of the future. Let's start with the city of tomorrow. China is building fully integrated smart cities where everything is connected. Imagine a world with no traffic jams, where every car, bus, and signal is managed by a central AI brain, optimizing flow second by second. Drones deliver your groceries before you even realize you're out of milk, and your home anticipates your needs, adjusting the lights and temperature the moment you walk in. This isn't science fiction. This is the vision behind projects like the Zhong'an New Area, a city being built from scratch, designed to be the blueprint for urban living. Powered entirely by clean energy and blending nature with hyper-advanced technology, it's a living laboratory for the future. We're talking about a level of integration that makes our current smart homes look like toys. This is about creating a truly intelligent environment, a city that breathes and adapts in real time, built for sustainability and efficiency on a scale never before attempted. Now, what if you could shrink the world? Imagine traveling from Beijing to Shanghai, a distance of over 1,200 kilometers, in under 30 minutes. That's the promise of Hyperloop-style vacuum-sealed tubes. While the rest of the world is still debating the concept, China is already building test tracks, pushing the limits of physics with magnetic levitation trains that could reach speeds of over 1,000 kilometers per hour. This isn't just about making your commute faster. A transportation network like this would fundamentally change how we think about distance. Continents would feel like countries, and countries would feel like cities. Entire economies could be rewired, allowing people to live hundreds of miles away from their jobs without a second thought. It's a revolution in mobility that could connect humanity in ways we've only dreamed of, turning the entire globe into a single, interconnected mega-region. The engineering challenges are immense, but the race to create this transit revolution is well underway. But what powers all this innovation? Deep inside secretive AIs, scientists are pushing machines far beyond our current imagination. We're not just talking about chatbots that can answer your questions or algorithms that recognize faces. We're talking about AI that can compose beautiful, complex music, design next-generation engineering solutions, and even help scientists make groundbreaking discoveries. China has set a national goal to become the world leader in artificial intelligence by 2030, and they are backing it up with massive, unprecedented investment. These labs are the engines of the future, working on artificial general intelligence that could help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. From curing diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's to finally tackling climate change on a global scale. The race for AI supremacy is on, and the breakthroughs happening behind closed doors today will define the world of tomorrow. Some of these projects are so advanced, they almost defy belief. Whispers and reports from the world of high-tech research suggest China is making shocking progress in quantum computing. We read talking about experimental computers capable of solving complex problems in seconds that would take our current fastest supercomputers thousands or even millions of years to crack. The implications of this are staggering. It touches everything. National security could be turned on its head, as current encryption methods would become instantly obsolete. Financial markets could be predicted and manipulated in microseconds. Scientific research from drug discovery to materials science would accelerate at an exponential rate. This race for quantum supremacy is happening largely in the shadows, a quiet, intense competition to unlock a power that could reshape the global balance. It's not just a leap forward. It's a jump into a completely new paradigm of computation. At the same time, China is undertaking the largest renewable energy expansion in human history. We're talking about projects on a scale that is hard to comprehend. Imagine massive floating solar farms covering vast lakes and reservoirs glittering under the sun. Picture endless coastlines and plains dotted with giant wind turbines stretching as far as the eye can see. But it's not just about generating power. It's about managing it. They are building intelligent grids that can distribute this energy with incredible efficiency, predicting demand and routing power to where it's needed most, drastically cutting the country's reliance on fossil fuels. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete restructuring of the country's energy infrastructure. It's a bold, determined effort to build a sustainable future on a scale that the world has never seen before, aiming to power its futuristic ambitions with clean, green energy. But smart cities are one thing. What about managing the sprawling megacities that already exist? This is where it gets even more fascinating. Predictive AI is now being used to manage these massive urban centers. Silent, powerful algorithms are constantly analyzing unimaginable amounts of data traffic patterns, energy consumption, social media trends, and public service usage to anticipate the needs of citizens before they even arise. Imagine an AI that can see a traffic jam forming an hour before it happens and automatically reroutes cars to prevent it. Or an algorithm that dispatches emergency services to a location, not just because a call was made, but because data patterns suggest a problem is about to occur. This silent, invisible layer of intelligence is already starting to redefine urban life. It promises unprecedented efficiency and safety, but it also raises profound questions about privacy and the role of humanity in a world increasingly managed by superintelligent systems. The future is being built today in places few of us ever get to see. These ambitious, almost secret projects are not just for one country. They will shape the course of the 21st century for all of us. Will they usher humanity into a new golden age of prosperity and discovery? Or will they create a future that we are not yet prepared for? Only time will tell. But one thing is for certain, the world is changing faster than ever. If you want to explore more hidden innovations and incredible discoveries from around the world that are shaping our future, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.